only to find out I have to start again. Tama ba? So she was looking at this business, potential business, and I was quite surprised. Why? Because when people look at this Reway to be their potential business, usually ang ipangutanan nila is how to become successful. Right? How to earn money, how to become successful, unsa ang mga next steps nga buhaton. But makaingon yun ko, educator gid ni siya. She really thinks. Why? Because ang pangutanan niya sa ako was, Faith, what could be the biggest problem or threat to my business? Should I decide to join Reway business? Okay, so wala siya nung matanag how, wala siya nung matanag paunsa mahimong successful, paunsa mo income. Ang pangutanan niya ay, I need to prepare myself. What could be the biggest problem? And so ako, nahibong ko, I was doubting, unsa man tubagon ako ni siya pinaahente, magpaatik-atik ko kunuhay, or strito na lang ni. So, you know, when people are being honest, I think we also deserve some directness from us. And so I just had to be very honest with her. And then I told her, you know what, ma'am, isa ra gyud ako mahuna-hunaan nga, potential nga problem sa negosyo, and that would be people. People. Why? Because naminaw ta ganina, okay, wa mo nalibong naminaw ganina. O nalibong ko naminaw ganina, no? Kaya nga naman, grabe, everything about Reway is designed to help people achieve success.
Yes.
Tama ba? Everything. In fact, you look at the product today. Kamo, kinsa mga first-timers dali? First-timers, pwede palakpakan nato itong mga first-timers. First-timers, welcome! Okay, welcome to Reway. If you look at the product, you think the product can?
Yes.
Product can? Imagine 17 years in the market with only one health supplementation. What does that tell us? We don't need thousands. We don't need hundreds of product. We only need the right one. And for the past 17 years, we have proven ourselves to be the right product in the market.
Yes.
Otherwise, we wouldn't have lasted 17 years in the market kung mali ang product ni Reway International.
Yes.
So do we have the right product today?
Yes.
Yes. Are you confident with Portier Placenta?
Yes.
Are we in the right platform right now? Meaning the company that we have, do you think can?
Yes.
Do you think can? Are you choosing the right industry today?
Yes.
Okay, nakoy pangutana sa mga naka-black attire, are you proud to call yourselves networkers?
Yes.
Yun, networker ta diri, no? No, usahay hantod karon ka ng magduha-duha gihapon ko na imong utana. What do you do for a living?
Network.
Labi nagdili kay nimo kaila. What is it that you do? Kay sayon ra mo tubag for others. So I'm a doctor, I'm a lawyer. Pero kung ikaw naka-black attire ka everyday, pangutanon ka gaon sa day ka, kanang magduha-duha ko, tubag ko nga networker ko, i-black na gyud ko ani diretso. Di na gyud ko ani istoryahon, no? So, there would still be times nga magduha-duha ko, but this is what I have realized, that you cannot expect to fully benefit from something which you do not believe in. You cannot fully expect to benefit from something which you do not believe in. And so, if you dare to start Reway, first dare to learn to love the industry of multi-level marketing.
Yes.
No, before Reway, kinahanglan masabtan sa nato ang pagka-noble ani nga industry. Okay, do you think the procedure can?
Yes.
The procedure can, meaning OPP, NDO, LTS, everything is provided by Reway. And in my 8 years of doing the business, not a single event na nagbayad ko entrance fee. Because in all other companies outside, insurance companies or ubay madila ng mga realty, you will always have to invest money. Before ka i-train, before ka mahimong license, tama ba? Diri, bahala nang magsigig kag training dirag napulo ka tuig, walay mo pugong sa imo ang pagkaon. Tama ba? Walay licensure examination diri.
Yes.
Imagine na if naay licensure examination daghan sa imo katuwa wala diri ka. Tama ba? Tama ba? So do you appreciate the procedure of Reway today?
Yes.
Reway is telling us today there is no qualification to get inside this company. Unsa lang man ang qualification. Kung gusto ka mabago imong kinabuhi and willing ka mo follow, that's it. You can change your life right now. So, do you think the marketing plan can?
Yes.
Can? Tulura gid to. Referral bonus, matching bonus, development bonus. Reway is not my first company. This is my third multi-level marketing company. I've been to USANA for years, Kayani 1 year and a half. And at that time, I was on the brink of giving up on network marketing. ang gusto nako mahimo na lang ko OFW sa Taiwan, no? Because sa mga previous na mga network marketing companies, daghan kaayo ang compensation plan. Number 1 hangtod number 10. Pero kung sa kaluoy sa Ginoo, pipila ra gyud sila nga modato og income. Tama ba? But if you look at the plan of Freeway today, you come in today for the first time, you and I, we share the same exact marketing plan.
Yes.
Development bonus, matching bonus, referral bonus. And you know what? The success, the kind of success that we have here, it's built, really built on the success of other people. Huna-hunaon pa lang nimo, no repeat purchase. Walay auto-order or auto-ship na ginatawag. All other multi-level marketing sa makita nimo sa gawas, one common denominator, you will be required to buy again and again and again and again. Why? Meaning, ang tag-iya sa company, gabatato tungod sa inyong monthly purchases. Karon unsay giingon ni Riway, you just start. Start with what? With millions? No. You just start with your personal consumption, and Riway promise you, you share your story, you take the product, and your life will change forever. Kausara ka mo palit. Why? Because part of the plan is paimnon ka og libre ni Riway for the rest of your life.
Yes.
In fact, Diri, the more you earn, the more free products you have.
Yes.
And we see the hands of the people who are taking the product for free. Taking the product for free. Wow, palakpakan nato na sila. Okay? Libre na kita mga product ron. In fact, ang ako ang iro, I have a golden retriever. Siya ang ako ang bunso. Okay? My dog is taking per year.
Wow.
One capsule a day. Yes! Yes! Di ba naman? Palangga ng kong iro. No? In fact, mas mahal pa mag-iro karon kaysa mga anak kag bata. Sa tinuod lang. Okay? So, you see, if you look at Riway from all angles, everything about Riway is designed to help people achieve success. But I think my topic for today is very, very important. Not because I hold the highest rank so far, but because people is the most important. Why? It's because it's the people who are doing the business. No matter how good the product is, no matter how good the company is, the compensation plan, no matter how potential the market is, at the end of the day, ikaw ang magbuot sa imuhang success and failure in the business. Can you please stop the person next to you? At the end of the day, it's all you.
At the end of the day,
It's all you.
It's all you.
It's all you. Okay? Now, okay, sige. Now, kanina, promising kayo ang potential nga topic, right? Very promising, no? And people may think, mag-anong hulat tag Europe, hulat tag US market, and hata mo work. You know, do not simply fall for potential. Because, yes, you have the potential market, but katong ginaingon ni Sir Lloyd kanina, the question is, do you have the ability? Do you have the resources? Can you actually be present? Can you actually do it before you can even fully maximize? Miski unsa pa ka potential ang market, okay? So, right now, we talk about people. Why is it the most important? Because if you do not take care of people, if you cannot look for the right people, if you cannot follow for the right people, and if you cannot be the right people for others to follow, then at the end of the day, everything mawala na siya. No matter how big your team might be, I've seen a lot of leaders inside Riway. Ako, mutugan lang yun ko, no? Sa mga first-timers nga na adiri, sa una, we always say the nicest words to entice people to come. But today, we be honest, Riway is not easy money, no? So, kinahanglan, tinud-anay ta, no? Dili gyud siya lalim. Pero ang imuhang compensation is, sky is the limit, okay? So we go back, it's so hard. Anak ko sa principal, kabalo ka man, kung isulti na ko tanang problema sa imong habahin sa mga tao, okay? Basig ma-discourage na ka mubukat sa business, okay? So I hope this will not discourage you. Why? Because if you put people inside a room, people with different upbringing, people with different backgrounds, people with different values, people with different hopes and dreams in life, and you put them all together in one room, definitely conflicts are bound to happen. Okay? Am I right? Yes. Now, ang success po sa Riway or any other multi-level marketing company, dili pud ka makaingon nga daghan kag tao successful ka, or gamay lang kag tao for now, dili ka mamahimong successful. Daghan kay siya factor. So for example, this room is so far sa 5 ka LTS, sukad Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. This is our 4th day of doing the LTS with 5 different teams so far. This is the biggest team so far. 120, 130 people. Okay? So, but if you ask me, is it successful? Or do you consider this event successful?
Yes!
Yes?
Yes!
Ang katong team nga, for example, 60 lang katao, meaning not even half of this room, do you think they're not successful?
Successful gapon.
Successful gihapon, okay? So it really depends. Why? Because if we are over 120 people in this room, sabihin natin close to 150, you know, there is really no metric or gauge kung makaingon ba ka nga successful na siya or dili just because of the number of seats nga taken. Because, you know, we cannot simply rely on, even if we have so much people here, but everybody is relying on the speakers to do the closing for them. What do you think will happen? Still, no results. Because we cannot simply rely on the speakers up here on stage. So, ang pangutana, before this event even started, did we do pre-meeting? Meaning, kabalo ba ang mga tao unsay adtuon nila? Kabalo ba ang mga tao unsay pangitaon nila sa event? Learning, knowledge, tama ba? Inspiration. And not just that, nakaplano na ba ta unsay buhaton after the event? Do we have debrief? Do we have follow-up? Because even if people are so excited now, is it possible na pag muulit na sa balayon niya, pag shower na to, maapil o kahugas ang tanang excitement sa tuwang lawas? Possible, right? Because it's not just about what you hear today, what matters most is how you will respond to it in the next coming days. So even if daghan ta diri, pero kung isa or duha lang katao ang kabalo mo follow up, then still no results. Pero miski pa napulo lang ta diri, pero napulo pud ang leaders nga kabalo mo follow up, then mas naa pa to'y results. And so I can tell you a lot of problems. Thing is that here's what I have observed. We all have the same product, per Dear Placenta. We all have the same platform. Isa raman siguro tag OPP na ginagamit. Wala man siguro ilaing OPP booklet dira. Usara ta og company, usara ta og offices nga ginagamit. And yet, not everybody achieves the same result. Not everybody achieves the same level of success. Pero usa lang. Like for example, naka sa real estate. Usara mo listing tanan sa tanang for sale nga yuta, for sale na balay. And yet, how come not everybody achieves the same result? Because at the end of the day, what matters is who you choose to follow. It's who you choose to follow. You see, I have seen a lot of people nga sigig ambak-ambak from one company to another, and they fail. And it's not because the product is not good enough. No. If you go outside B-Way, there's a lot of good products, I tell you. Just, dili lang yun sila Rolls-Royce of supplementation. Tama ba? Out there, there's also a lot of good multi-level marketing companies. But how come still not successful? Because we go back. At the end of the day, it's who you are choosing to follow. Kinsa ang imuhang leader. Can you say the word leader?
Leader.
Who you choose to follow. And if you don't have anybody to follow, then asa ka pa dulong if you are not following anyone. Tama ba? And if you do not have anyone to follow, the question is, ikaw ba, are you worth following as a person? So, daghan kay problema, but we're not here to talk about problems. We are here to address two things. Number one, who is a leader? Is a leader naturally born? Is a leader pangitaunon magid na siya? Because very normal, very typical. When you enter the business, you would hear a lot of people tell you, mangita tag leader, mangita tag leader, mangita tag leader. So ang pangutana, ginapangita ba gyud ang leader? Makit-an ba gyud na siya? Or kung ikaw mismo sa imong kaugalingon dili ka leader nga ginatawag, sa tan-aw nimo ma-attract ang mga leader sa imo ha?
No.
Kung ikaw mismo dili ka leader. So that's the number one question that we need to address. Where can you find leaders? Are they even found or are they nurtured? Ikaduha is Riway International, a good leader to follow.
Yes.
So are you guys excited?
Yes.
Are you guys excited? So sabi nila, psychology says that you can categorize people, no? into 4 categories according to how they are, making money or making a living. Okay? 4 categories. Okay, are you still okay, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, I know it's 3 p.m. It's holy hour. Okay? So, kung kinahanglan ninyo magkape, it's okay. You grab your hot water there and your coffee, okay? Pero kana siya, i-shake yun na ninyong maayo. Kung katugon mo karon, okay, ayaw mo sandig. Kaya kung mo sandig mo, all the more na makatugon mo. So, just sit, and then, pwede i-shake sa inyong mga kamot. I-shake ninyo. Kaya kabalo mo kung katugon mo, kung katugon mo karon ha, that is what you call the demon trying to stop you from learning. Di ba? Yeah. Kung katugon ka karon, that is the enemy trying its best na dili ka makatun. Okay? So, palayo, demon. Okay, gusto ko makatun. Okay, gusto ko mahimong successful. Alright? So, are you ready? The first category of people are what we call scumbags. Okay, do you guys, are you familiar with the word scumbag? Madunggan lang na ako siya every now and then, pero I'm not really sure what scumbag means, okay? So I tried to Google it, unsa ba yun ang Filipino or Bisaya nga translation sa scumbag. And sad to say, there is no direct translation of the word scumbag. So I tried to Google again, okay, unsa ba yun nearest, no, nga word nga pwede nato ma-associate sa scumbag, and Google said, buisit. I'm so sorry for the term, buisit. Ningon siya. Ang first daw na category sa mga tao is scumbag, sa Bisaya pa buisit. What is buisit? Anyone? Kanang buisit. Okay, buisit. Anyone? Ha? Limalas. Okay. Way batasan, way pulos. Grabe, no? Oo. Okay, nangutana ra ko ha. Naigo ka. We're friends, okay? So, I don't know with you, pero pagkadungog na ko ani, ako madumduman akong lola. Because, permitin ako madungan sa akong lola. Like, for example, manangpiling ka, kunya, namo sa kananan, mo siya, ayaw pa ng piling kayo makabuisit na, okay? So, daghan kang pwedeng buhaton niya, ingnan kasi mong lola na makabuisit na. So, scumbags, first category of people, these are the people who live, who survive, not by their own means or hard work, but by being parasites. Meaning, they always depend on other people. Okay? In fact, nahimo na silang professional na parasites. So, I wouldn't say nga tapulan sila. Why? Because kapoy pud biya mahimong tapulan. Kumbaga, tama ba? Kumbaga, kinahanglan pud nimo i-practice or i-train. Yes, imuhang kaugalingon aron mahimong tapulan. Sige, Robe, kaya nimo muhigda tibok adlaw. Tama, dili di ba lain sa paminaw. Kaya nimo muasa sa ubang tao every single time tululan lang ka. Dili. So, scumbags, dili siya lisod. Do not look down on them. Lisod pud mahimong parasite, no? Lisod mahimong parasite unya mo survive ka hantod sa hantod ha. Di professional gid ka. So for example, people who are always after ayudas. Tama ba? I don't know. Because you're always after it. Okay? Kung karon, wala kay trabaho, please, what I'm not saying is automatic scumbag ka. Of course not. Because lahi ang wala kay trabaho sa pagkakaroon, pero gapangita ka og opportunity versus sa tao nga dili gyud ganahan mo narbaho at all. Because they just want to depend on other people to take care of them. You depend on your parents, you depend sa imuhang mga silingan, you depend sa imuhang mga kamag-anakan, or worse, if you're a husband or a wife right now, you don't want to do anything about your situation because anyway, I have my partner. Okay? So, wala man siguro yung scumbag din. Wala pa ka na I think that's we're one step ahead. Okay? Ikaduha, okay, we call them manpower. So these are the people who earn money or make a living through through labor. So mostly, ang ilahang trabaho involves so much manual or physical strength na ginatawa. So can you name people who earn by means of physical strength? Okay? Exactly. Laborers, okay? Construction workers, housekeeping, maybe kung waiter ka. Tama ba? So a lot of people, no? Serve ka. So that's manual labor. Okay, the third category. So by the way, ang mga laborers, they're mostly paid according to the number of hours that they put. Okay, so it's just number of hours. Ang ikatulo na category, we call them the talents. Can you say the word talents?
Talents.
So, unlike the laborers, ang talents, they are being hired, okay, for their services. They're being paid no longer just for their physical strength, but mostly for their brilliance, for their knowledge, and for their expertise. So, examples na to, educators na to, atong mga lawyers, atong mga doctors, okay? Kanang mga experts, no, na mga ginatawag, okay? So, do we have experts in the house? Experts na ba? Pwede taas ang kamay? Aron para ma-acknowledge na to atong mga experts in the house? Wala gyud Miss Kisa. Wala gyud, okay? I think if you are holding, high na position or authority in your offices, I think you can be called talents. Because not everybody can hold your position. Tama ba? So, pwede palakpakan nato na sila, okay? But, what we are after is the fourth category. We call them leaders. These are the kind of people that we want. Can you say leaders?
Leaders.
So, Faith, okay? How do we know if a person is a leader? How do we find a leader? No? How can we have leaders in our organization? Because paulit-ulit nating sinasabi na Railway business is not about selling. Tama? Ganina, if you were listening to our plan nga speaker, Ate Girlie, she talked about the plan. And if you listen to her, how to achieve Diamond 2-star, 3-star, Team Elite Pavo, Team Elite Pegasus, she never mentioned about sales. What she said is, you help a person on your left achieve 1 star, you help a person on your right achieve 1 star. Or you have a person on your left achieve 2 star, you have a person on your right achieve 2 star. It was never about sales. Pansin niyo ba?
Yes.
Why? Because the business is not about selling, it's about what?
Helping.
First, it's creating value in you, and the next is to build the value of other people. And that's how you make money inside this business. So the question is, asa ba gyud gikan ang leader? So, can I just share how we started in the business? Is it okay?
Yes.
Is it okay? Well, there's a lot of leaders in this room. Palakpakan nato ang mga leaders nato. But, I think it's easiest for me to explain if I share my own story, okay? So, in 2016, no. Mubalik ta katubag yung grade 3 ko. Dito yung nagsulutan. Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba? Because ang atong office hours until 7 p.m. man. Okay? Kan?
Yes.
Kan? Okay. So, wag yun tayo magbuhat. Kaya nilari mag-yun ka, okay? So, when I was in grade 3, about 9-year-old, my mother told me, Faith, you will become an ambassador when you grow up. Okay? Not just that, giingnan ko niya paunsa ang procedure. Okay, you finish high school, you finish elementary, okay, you don't have to be the brightest in class, basta mahuman lang nimo and wala lang kay bagsak. Pero kung taas imong grado, mas labing maayo. And then you enter college, you take foreign service or international studies. Okay nga naman, para ang span sa imong studies international, because ang target nato is not just lawyer, mahimo kang ambassador. So after you graduate from college, ana siya procedure ha, ana siya nga mo take ka og masteral while nagtrabaho ka sa Department of Foreign Affairs. While nagtrabaho ka sa Department of Foreign Affairs, maningkamot yun ka na mahimo kang outstanding. Okay, why? So you can have money, okay, and maybe study law while you're working, and then after which, okay, mahimo kang lawyer, and then mahimo kang mailhan ka sa Department of Foreign Affairs, you could be appointed as an ambassador. And when you are an ambassador, madala nimo ang imong tibok family, libre ang puy-anan, libre ang pagkaon, libre tanan ang imong family. Then we can, what? Overcome poverty. I was 9-year-old then. Ma-remember na kung ano, because the more nga bata ka, the more nga ma-absorb nimo. Tama ba?
Tama.
So, may I ask, anyone here nga, 9-year-old pa lang ka, kabalo na kaon si buhaton sa imong kinabuhi? Anyone? Sama na ako. 9-year-old pa lang ako, sure na kay ko. Akong tanang classmates tong high school, naglisod yun sila unsa nga course ilang pilion. Ako ra yun ang nakabalo unsa akong kwaon, international studies. Yes. Grabe, at the age of 9, klaro kaayo ang plano. Okay? Pero, ang wala na ko na plano, nga 7 years after, manganak ang ako ang inahan, o bunso na mga kapatid, nga na congenital defect, epileptic since birth. Special child. Ang wala na ko maplano is that pag abot og high school, magbulag ang ako ang mama o papa. ang wala na ko na plano nga maglisod og stable nga job ang akong inahan because wala siya nakahuman og pang-eskwela, no? When she was in college. Ang wala na ko na plano, purdoy me our entire lives. Ang wala na ko maplano, makasal ko at the age of 18. Kaya gipugos ko. Ang wala na ko na plano, magkaanak ko og duha before ko mo-graduate of college. So you see, I had everything laid before me. Muni ang plano, kini. But the question is, what happens when things never go as planned? What happens? When the things that you are planning, they never happen, what is your plan? Tama ba? And so, why am I saying this? Because first, you have to understand, sa mga first-timers, sa mga bago pa lang, you have to understand that none of the people who are in their black attire, nga they planned on becoming three-way leaders.
Yes.
No? Walay nagplano, ana. Ang atong first speaker is a businesswoman. We have a yaya, a nanny. We have an engineer. We have a bookkeeper here. Tanawa na nimo tanan sa luyo, lahi-lahi na ng mga professions. None of us has actually was programmed or designed, no, nga mahimong networker. In fact, if you ask me personally, nagdako ko nga baba kay kog tan-aw sa mga networker. You know, I spent my college in Ateneo de Davao University. Kapag mulabay ka anang ilustre, nagaysano ilustre dira, na ay mga nag-atang dira nga naka-jeans, naka-t-shirt, kunya naka-black attire, maglikay-likay ka ana kay mga taga-uno na sila. Harangon ni ana nila, harangon ni. And you know what? Ever since I was introduced to multi-level marketing, ang akong hunag-hunag yun is, ang mga networker, muna sila ang mga tao na walay talent, walay skills, walay ability, walay kapadulungan, munang nag-networking na lang sila. Yeah, that was my mindset last time. So you see, you have to understand that nobody of us, not even me, nobody planned on becoming a three-way leader. That is one. So the question is, what happens when things never go as planned? So, until finally, nag-decide ko in 2016. 2016, I told Beth, my mother, Team Supreme Pegasus 3, Ma, mga brood na lang gid ko kay murag sama sa daghang mga Filipino. Maybe ang akong swerte wala sa Pilipinas, maybe nasa laing nasod. So, I was ready to fly to Taiwan to become a factory job worker. Ang akong plano, magminyo og inchik, hawdan yun ako akong trabaho, magtukong Chinese, magminyo kong dato nga businesswoman, a businessman, and then maybe makagawas ko sa poverty. And you know what? Again, things did not go as planned. Why? Because ang akong inahan turns out kolorum. Wala siya'y birth certificate. So, dili na ko makumpleto ang tanang requirements nga kinahanglan last time POEA pa to because walay birth certificate ang akong inahan. So, kung last resort na nimo ang pagiging OFW, asa ka padulong karon? Di man pud ka pwede mahimong artista. Di man pud ka pwede mahimong escort kay murag imong now, di man pud pang escort. Tama ba? So, when everything is planned and things never go according to how you plan it, what would you do? What would you do? You know what? I was forced. I had no choice but to do Riway International. But you know what? No, ayaw sa. Walay choice. But you know what? You know what? There is freedom in being a position of having nothing. Ulitin ko ha, there is that sort of freedom that comes from having nothing, from having no choice. Because today, kami last time, we have nothing, having nothing. But now we are in a position where we lack nothing because of Riway International. And so today, if you think you have zero resources, feeling mo sa pagkakaroon, wala kay ability to do this business, Faith, I don't have money to begin with, I tell you, that's the most perfect circumstance aron mamahimo kang successful sa Riway. Kaya nga naman, kung wala kay reputation nga ginaalagaan, mo share ka o Riway, nga nung mahadlok man ka, di man kanila katawaan kay wala namang kadaan.
Tama.
Are you following?
Yes.
Wala kay ika-invest og dako, pero makasugod ba ka?
Yes.
Makasugod ka, 1 battle, 2 battles, right?
Yes.
Nga nung mahadlok man ka,
Malugi pa ba rin ka nga, walang-wala naman ka na. So, wanang ginatawag na zero risk ang Reway business. Pwede ba napapanan ko sa kung walang-wala kang karoon, wala. Tama ba? You have nothing to lose. But when you have nothing to lose, you have everything to gain.
Yes.
And so, wala pa na human. Pagsulod na ko sa Reway business. Di ba lang? Pagsulod na ko sa Reway business. Why? Because it's not enough na naalang kay potential aron mo sulod. In my first event it was a very insignificant night. Less than 20 katao sa katong sa isa ka room sa Green Banana Hotel. Less than 20 people tinuod na buffet. Ang sabot naman ni Mama, maminaw lang ta, inighuman na to og attend og OPP, i-block na nato sa Rex Bugalaw aron di na magsigig sinamon. Kung kita among sabot. So ako wala ko ning lingkod na inanak na ako sa pinakatumyan, nagsige kog inani. Ako, grabe si Rex, nahimo na gid siyang professional scammer kay naka-black coat pa siya. Inana ang gadagan sa akong utok. You know that night my mother started taking the product. The following day, ana siya, I need to take this product. Kaya nga naman, first time niya nakatulog after so many years na wala siya tulog. Because kung nakay mga bukol-bukol sa imuhang lawas, di yun kakatulog. Isa may makatulog in tawan ana. And that significant night, little did I know, that would be the start of a completely changed life. But that's not about it. When I entered Reway business, tinaning nahitabo. When I entered Reway business, leader ba kadayon? The moment you sign up, of course not. You have the potential to become a leader, but please don't mistaken potential as success. Lahi ang potential, lahi ang success. Are you following? A lot of us fall for potential. Okay, ang potential, kutubra na siya potential unless you work on it. Okay? So, sama sa mga minyo. Kisay mga minyo dire. Kisay mga minyo. You fell in love with the potential, not the actual. Tama ba? Kay katong bago pa lang mo, ay magminyo mi kay potential kay ni siya. Potential ni siyang husband, loving ni, provider ni. Unsay nahitabo, paggawa sa inyong unang anak, unsay nahitabo, irresponsable man din ni siya. Tama ba? Di man din ni siya kaayo ka-provide, or babaero man din ni, or naman din ni. So, unsay nahitabo, nanganak kag balik ikaduha. Kaya nga no, basin pag mag-anak kong ikaduha, mas mo-increase yung potential. Basin mapag-on ni siya. Tama ba? So, unsay nahitabo. Oh my God, wala, gihapon. So, anak kasi mo kagito, luhon na tong anak kasi mo tako yung potential. So, don't fall for potential. Just because naa siya potential doesn't mean mahimong successful. Tama ba? So, just because pwede ka musulod ani nga business, won't automatically make you a successful person inside Reway because you have to act on this potential. So when Raymond Tong told me, Faith, you just have to attend all events. Do you attend all of the events?
Yes.
Dili lang attend all events. Sabi niya, bring as many people as you can. Are you bringing people with you? Because without bringing people with you, no business. Remember, this is a people-building business. Kung nag-inusara ra ka, are there people to build? Is there success to? Is there a team you can build your success upon? Of course not. Okay? Of course not. And so, on my first month in the business, I hit, not first month, first 2 weeks, I think, of the business, I hit Diamond 1 star.
Wow.
Yes! Sabi mo, wow, wow. I fly to Taipei, Taiwan, kaya dito pa may gina-award sa una. Sa una, 2017, mahimo kang star achiever, ang imuhang LRN, naa sa Taiwan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia. Okay? Karon, we have our own LRN. So, that time, pagdawat na ko sa akong 1 star na award, okay, excited ko, uli ko sa, Philippines. Pag-ablin ako sa akong maleta, buak ang trophy. Kabalo mo unsay ginaingon nila pag naay mabuak. Kana wala tinuyuan. Exactly, buisit, malas. So, anak ko sa akong inahan, ma, ipatilaw raman siguro tag 100,000, dili man ni siguro tinuod ang Reway. Okay? And you know what Reway told me? Reway told me, okay, so kung nabuak ang imong 1 star, nana na sa imong mutuo kag malas. Or pwede ba ilisan nimo imong trophy aron mawala ang malas? So, before nahuman ang March of 2017, my mother and I, we fought to become the first team elite pavo in the Philippines. Yes. Kaso nga dahil walay 3-star, walay all the more pavo. So, did you think that created credibility and hope among Filipino people nga basin tinuod ban nga negosyo? Hapit na unta. Karon kay pagdawat na ko sa akong award nga Team Elite Pavo sa Singapore, ako nakauli ko Pilipinas, ang ako ang trophy wala gyud nakauli. nawala siya sa Philippine Airlines. Kabalo mo unsay ginaingon nila kung nabukan ka o niya karon nawala na tawag malas yun. So anang ko ma gipatilaw raman siguro tag 1 million ato kasara man siguro to undangan na lang nato ni mintras sayo pa pwede pa ta mo U-turn. Anak si Riway nara na sa imo ako mutuo kag malas or ilisan nimo imong trophy. Wala na ko man ang 2017 Jubilee Diamond Team, then Team Kayo Manggi, became the first ever Team Elite Pegasus in the whole of Philippines.
Wow!
At that time, I was 25. Ang kanang 25 mo pa na ang youngest in the whole of history then, 25. Karon daghan nag-Pegasus at the age of 18, 19. Nga naman, gi-prepare na daan ang ilahang path sa ilahang mga Supreme and Pegasuses na mga amahan o inahan. So you see, along the way, I can tell you, daghang mga malas nga nahitabo along the way. You invest so much money, and yet still people live malas. Tama ba? You spend so much money, and yet wala mo sign up, daghang malas. But here's what I have realized, that kung mutuo ka nga malas yun ang isa ka butang, puro ragit malas ang imong makitaan. But if you choose to act on every opportunity that is being presented to you, you can create your own luck. You can create your own blessing inside this business.
Yes.
Pwede bang palakpakan natin na? So 8 years down the line, you know, today we are still here. Kaluyan sa Ginoo. Today we are still the biggest team in the whole of Philippines.
Yes.
Now we go back. Do you find leader or do you create a leader? For me, I look back sa akong kagalingon. 8 years ago, no ba, I would never dare to call myself a leader. In fact, I was in Cebu, I was reminded by a Team Elite Phoenix there, Jen Baculao. Ana siya, kabalo ka fit, yun ko ganahan sa mga pagsugod na to. Kaya nga naman, Ate Jen, ikaw ang unang na-attenan ako na OPP sa Cebu. Okay? First na OPP sa Cebu in March of 2017. Ang first daw atong OPP na sa Jollibee. Okay? Tapos, ana siya nga, wag yun ko ganahin nimo ako mga guest na-disappoint tanan kay mga naka-LV sila, naka-Hermes sila, mga dato sila tanan, ang speaker walay panudlay. Tapos, mo ba, Jen? Yeah. Tapos, kabalo ka, the following day, i-invite mi nimo sa isa ka hotel, okay? Kay nag-compensation plan ka sa amo, wala gyud ka ning order og pansit sa hotel kay anak ka mahal. So, ning palit ka og pansit dito sa gawas sa hotel kay para mas barato. Wag gyud ko ganahin sa imo, wala gyud nag-sign up ato nila miski isa. Pero, pasalamat ko sa imong Hawaii because nadala na ko nimo og lain-lain na nasod because of Video International. Pwede bang palpakan natin yan? So I was reminded, you know, and it's giving me hope now. It's clear. You can't just simply look for a leader. Tama ba? Because in this kind of environment, it is you who will shape your destiny. It is you who will take charge of your business. It is you who's going to decide. So, you can't simply say nga, muna siya mahimong leader, kini dili ni leader. No, we cannot simply qualify and disqualify kinsay leader, kinsay dili. In fact, the most potential leaders that we have, maybe they are not leader looking. Tama ba? Pwede pakitanaw sa imong tupad karon and try to assess, mura ba na siya leader? Mura ba na siya leader? Potential ba mahimong leader? Potential ba? And you know guys, here's the thing. In this 8 years in the business, this is what I have realized, that you cannot simply look for a leader. A leader is created. And the thing is that every single one of us here, every single person in this room, we have a leader inside each of us. Can you please look at the person again next to you? Okay? And then tell that person, I believe in you.
I believe in you. Thank you. I believe in you.
I believe in you. Okay, now, okay. Nga naman yun na, no? Everywhere I go, wato ko Cebu, wato ko Cagayan, kaya pag wingon ko, tanawa inyong tupad, na I believe in you, nga nung apilan mong girog katawa. Kanang dili mo ma-insultuan na. So pwede this time, you tell them, I believe in you, eye to eye, pero ayaw kataw eh. Kinasing-kasing yun. Kinasing-kasing, okay? Okay? I believe in you. Anak, gani ko walay katawa. Okay, can you do that? Can you simply look at the person next to you? Kabalo ka, kanay mong tupad, na anak diri karon, kay nanay hinungdan nga nung nasa diri karon.
Yes.
So, the reason, maybe health, maybe finances, nangita og mupakpak niya, kay dato na siya daan, wata kabalo, but there is a reason nga nung muanto siya og lingkod dira. Now, maybe the only thing that person is waiting for is somebody who will remind him or her of his potential. So, can you please tell that person, I believe in you.
I believe in you.
Okay, pwede palakpakan na ito tumakao na din. Palakpakan na ito. So you see, and you know what? Inside this team alone, I can name you, I can give you an endless list of names of leaders. Benjamin Quay here is a leader. Tama ba? Tanan na itong mga speakers, ganina are leaders. Gerard Marsala here is a leader. Pwede palakpakan na ito na. So, the thing is that no matter how good this company is, no matter how good this product is, what really, I would say, what really contributed so much to us becoming successful, it's because naga-matter kung kinsay ginatukuhan, kinsay gina-follow nato. And for me, for my 8 years in the business, I have listened and looked up to isa ra gyud ang akong ginatanaw, Reway International. Who you follow, ang imuhang leader, matters the most. So this time, medyo problematic siya paminawon. Kay maybe ang uban sa inyo nagahuna-huna. Halapit ang nag-invite ra ba sa ako, murag uplok kung saon taman ko wala yung success diri sa Reway. Tama ba? Or maybe ang nag-invite sa ako, dili pa siya successful, so wala na gyud ko'y hope diri. Or maybe ang nag-invite sa ako, masakiton na sakot na wala gyud success diri. No. Here's the thing. No matter kung kinsa nag-invite sa imuha, okay? He or she will always be your leader, but you need kanang ginatawag na oxygen tank. And what Reway says is that you go upward. You look for somebody you can cooperate with, okay? You can trust, you can follow. So maybe it's not exactly the person who invited you. Maybe it's Fela Mata. Maybe it's Lloyd Partosa. Maybe it's Tita Virgie here. Tama ba? Maybe it's Ate Bing here, or maybe it's Sir Benjo. And tanaw ninyo ay uplok gihapon. You go upward. Okay, pangita pa mong lain. Maybe Beth Montero. Good luck. Okay, good luck. Or kung dili mo makaya, go upwards. Okay, go to Faith Cardosa maybe. Okay? But good luck. Samot na good luck. Okay? Tapos kung dili pag yun enough, ay utro mabud ka uplok. You look for the business development. Tama ba? Can they be your leaders? Yes. Because they are representative of Reway International. And tanaw ni mo ay uplok gihapon. Oh, you go to Dato Kenny. He's the senior director. And kung dili pa gyud kaganahan, you go to Mr. Limbon. Tama? You will always find so many leaders, so many oxygen tanks that can help you and guide you succeed in this kind of business. But if there is one leader that will never fail you, kasi people we will always disappoint each other along the way. We will always dismay and fail each other along the way. Tama ba? Labi na dili mahatag ang gusto. Mag-wild dayon, palayo dayon. Tama ba? But there is one entity that will never fail and disappoint you. That is Reway International Leadership. Pwede bang palakpakan na to? So, ang ato ang upline na rin, ang ato ang leader, kita tanan, our leader is Mr. Lim Bunhong. Our leader is the entire Reway International. Are you excited?
Yes!
Kinsa man ni ato ang leader karon? When our leader started not to have so much money when we started. Nga naman, wala siya nang itagdaghan kay investors. The boss, Mr. Lim Bunhong, chose to start small, to show other people that when you start this business, you can start even without so much money. Provided you start with a few right people. So, kinsay few right people niya pagsugod? You have IVC, you have Claudia Ong, you have Dato Kenny. And you know what? It's been already 17 years. And handud karon, they are still working with each other. They are still protecting each other. Tama ba? They are still working together. They are still becoming successful more than ever. In fact, karon nakaabot na ta sa Europe because of these 4 leaders. Mr. Lim Bunhong, Claudia Ong, IVC, and Dato Kenny. Pwede bang palakpakan natin siya? Our Reway International, kamusta si Reway as a leader? Importante na siya. Kaya basig maayo kay imong product, pero dili maayo ang imong leader. Tama ba? Basig, nagsigira asa man imong halin, asa man imong sales. Tama ba? So, Reway as a leader, I tell you, Reway invest heavily, so much on its leaders. Because the boss said that Riway's success is always dependent on the success of the distributors. That is us. That is why every single month, the events that we have all across Riway, it's worth millions. Tinuod itong ginaingon ni Sir Lloyd ganina. Today, there are more than 10 LTSS happening. Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Taiwan, Japan, Hong Kong, Philippines, Myanmar, Vietnam, Czech Republic, Poland, Hungary, Bulgaria, Germany. It's dili na lin. Moingon ka, roughly 50 to 100 million ang LTS. Why is Riway so willing to invest? Because I tell you, you will never find a company that values its leader so much as Riway International does.
Yes.
That is Riway as a leader. Do you like Riway?
Yes.
Do you like Riway? Sa Riway ha, I'm speaking here on behalf of kanang multi-level marketing na industry. Ang ubang multi-level marketing industry, paspas kayo sila mo cancel sa imuhang license. Okay? In Riway, Riway is a company of many chances. Very forgiving. So, kung matimanan ninyo ang story, ganina si Lloyd nawala siya for over 2 years. Kung sa ubang kumpanya pa na, wala na kayong balikan. Tama ba? But today, 2 years gone. Tama ba? For sure, katong nawala si Sir Lloyd, for sure, before siya nag-network marketing sa laay, for sure, kitautan sa niya, gamay lang si Riway. Tama ba? Ay, dili ta dira, mahal ang product dira. Ay, dili ta dira, uplok ang mga apply dira. Tama ba? But what Riway did is what? To keep its doors wide open. Sige lang, Lloyd. Sige lang. Para the moment you realize that there's still no better company than Riway, balik lang. And Riway accepted him back with open, wide arms. Pwede bang palakpakan natin? Okay, dili karon. No, open na nga to ang office. In fact, karon lahi-lahi tag-intention nga nung nata diri. Siguro ang uban diri, ay, atin ta dito, mang-invite ta kay i-invite na to sila sa ato ang network marketing company. Dito lang ta sa luyo lang ta para di kay ta pangga. Or ang uban nagdalag ilang pamaligya kay ibaligya nila sa mga leaders ka nag-meeting diri karon. Tama ba? Lain-lain og lain-lain, no? But you see, wala man ka gibugnan nga moari diri. Taga real estate ka, taga insurance ka, you are very much welcome to come inside Riway office. Why? Because Riway mindset Riway mindset is what? Sige lang, ari lang mo. Because kung naman galing mo'y madala, dili na sila tinuod nga Riway leaders.
Tama.
Tama ba? So if you ask me, Riway International as a leader, number 1, Riway knows how to create success. That is why dili lang pipila ang ga-income. Usahay, ang mas gamay o rank mo, mas dako pa ganing income panagsa. Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay? Ikaduha, Riway as a leader, very, very generous, very, very forgiving. And if you have a leader who knows how to create success and who is generous and forgiving, do you think you can inside this business?
Yes.
You think you can become successful?
Yes. Yes.
So Riway is the right leader.
Yes.
Palakpakan na to na. Palakpakan na to na. Now, Jubilee Diamond Team. Is it the right team?
Yes.
Is it the right team? No, I know, I really cannot tell. Because we may be right and they may be right as well. But here's what I can tell you. The reason why for 8 years so far we are the number 1 in the Philippines. The reason why up to today we are here standing still. In spite of all the problems happening in the market. In spite of some people leaving, miski pa mo income sila money. We are here because we are in here for the long run. Because we want to last in the business. Mura gid na akong ikaingon sa inyo ha. Because our goal here is no longer just to earn money. Our goal here is what? To fulfill our purpose and mission. And that is di ta muundang hantod sa makaya, hantod sa ma-empower nato tanang Filipino worldwide. And so, no. I cannot tell you that other leaders are wrong. Ang nahibawan lang nako, some leaders kapag maglisod na sila, when conditions are no longer perfect for them, when things are inconvenient for them, lisod, mulakaw dayon sila just because lisod. Nga naman, gapangita lang o kwarta. But Jubilee Diamond Team, I'm not telling you this is the perfect team. I'm not telling you this is the only right team. I can tell you we are overcoming all of these struggles and challenges because we want to last in the business.
Yes.
Gusto nato na one day soon, Jubilee Diamond Team, Filipinos will become number 1 in the whole of Riway International.
Yes.
And that is why every month we keep on looking for ways on how to equip leaders. We may not be able to sit down one by one, but do you feel the strength of Jubilee Diamond Team?
Yes.
Do you feel like support is readily available from your uplines?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, grabe. Murag what you support. Okay, do you feel like support is readily available aning nga team?
Yes.
Pwede lang palakpakan nato ni team. So, Riway, sabi ni Lloyd kanina, sige siya paminaw kang boss. When you listen closely to the boss, he is the kind of person who always gives opportunity. And even when you think na dili ka qualified, boss will always create opportunity for us to become successful. In fact, karon, gi-change ang recognition plan. Tama ba? The recognition plan today is anyone can become number one. Because ang recognition plan karon is no longer based on the ranks, it's based on productivity. So there is a Riway, there's a lot of opportunities. That this room, this is called opportunity. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Nga ng opportunity man eh. Because every Friday, there is an event here from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Naay panihapon, naay speakers. All you need to do is invite, sit down, listen, and equip yourself. So that pag wala event, kabalo ka unsay buhaton sa imong negosyo. Is that opportunity?
Yes.
You go to Davao, there is an office, there is an event. You go to Cebu, Iloilo, Manila, Pampanga, there is opportunity. Yes?
Yes.
Not just that. When you come into this business, your business is not limited to Philippines. You go to Japan, is there opportunity?
Yes.
You go to Taiwan, is there opportunity?
Yes.
You go to Korea, Hong Kong, Europe, is there Riway opportunity there?
Yes.
Sama pa nila, okay, ang tindahan, dili nimo madala-dala. Pero ang imuhang Riway business, wherever you go, you have potential business to do. That's how big this business is. Do you appreciate that?
Yes.
Ako kayo nga negosyo because nobody will limit you. In fact, katulad ng sinabi ni Tita Fe kanina, sabi ni boss, the richest person inside Riway may not have signed up yet. Okay? Ang pinakadato nga tao sa Riway, probably wala pa nag-sign up. And our boss, he would keep on telling us, I designed Riway in such a way na when I retire as CEO, I will sign up to become a Riway distributor. Because Riway was created from the lens or perspective of a distributor, not of a business owner. So meaning itong ginabuhat ni Riway ni boss, ang compensation plan, ang giingon niya, okay, ang income sa tao, not 10%, not 20%, not even 50%. Sabi niya, I will give back 70%, the highest in the market. Why? Because the perspective, it's coming from a distributor, not a business owner. Because our boss himself, he was a networker before he started to create Riway International. So you see, this company, the heart, the mind, the design, everything is pro people. Everything is because the boss wants people to become successful. So there's a lot of opportunity. This stage here, do you think it's an opportunity?
Yes.
Do you think this stage is an opportunity?
Yes.
Katungog mo atong Jollibee paper bag story. Ha? Katungog mo atong, katong ka-circulate ka ron? Oh, muna sila mailhanan sa sige scroll sa Facebook. Okay? You know what? Ako katong nabasa na ko to, naluoy ko sa kung ginsa may nagsulat ato. Why? Because you don't really get anything from it. Ang nakuha lang niya is kaluoy, that's it. Tama ba? Tama ba? But this stage, this is an opportunity. I'll show you how. When I read the Jollibee paper bag story, I was reminded when I gave birth to my second child, to my son. I was 19-year-old or 20 then, third year or fourth year college student at the Ateneo de Davao University. Nanganak ko sa Brokenshire, okay? That night, I gave birth and I had to go back to school a few days after. So wala ko time magpahulay. So, wala may kabayad akong banda kay jobless po utrupod, okay? Akong inahan, single mother, pobre kayo. So what I did, I talked to Brokenshire. You have to let me go. I need to look for money para makagawas ni sa akong anak. That was the morning after I gave birth. So ang gibuhat ni Brokenshire, gitalian ko nila og white nga. Kasi tawagan. Oh, tag. Color white. Because mo na ilhanan sa guard, nga makabalo ang guard, nga dili ka pwede magbitbit og daghang bag, ang anak nimo dili nimo bitbiton pwede because dili pa ka fully paid sa imong bills sa hospital. So mainhan na naka-white tag ka. And that time, asa mo gid ko mangita pud jud og money. I remembered I had a laptop. laptop nga, giinvisan gito na ako para sa akong schooling. So I went to Gaisano Ilustre na ay pawn shop dito, and gisangla na ako akong laptop for 15,000 pesos aron makagawas ni sa akong anak sa hospital. You see, this stage is an opportunity. If I were the same person, if I were another person, not Faith of Freeway, nobody would dare listen to my story. Because the truth is today, no matter how much you are struggling in life, miski unsa pa na imong struggle sa imong kinabuhi, baon ka sa utang, daghan ka problema, daghan kinabuhi, nobody will care. Nobody cares. Are you following?
Yes.
Even if you had the roughest childhood today, nobody cares. Muna tinuod. The only time people will care is when you actually make it. It's when you actually create success. And only then they will listen to how you made it despite your struggles. So this one here is an opportunity. Today, I can boldly share my story. I'm not afraid. Why? Because it doesn't matter anymore. In fact, I'm very grateful for all of the hardships and failures last time. Because I am who I am today because of them. But it only matters now because I am now on side freeway. Kinsa diri na kay mala MMK nga story or magpakailanman. Sige daw. O, tana lang ko. Sige raw, be. Pang MMK. MMK. Kaya feeling niyo ka ng, napod ko yung story. Sige daw, anyone. Napod ko yung story. Anyone? Isarag yun? Isarag yun? Isarag, ikaduha? Ikatulo? Okay. Sige, tasog ka po. Pero sa'yo, opportunity na rin. Ang uban, wala yung pang MMK nyo. Boring sa inyong ginabuhi. Wala yung may kumami pangkakian. Grabe. The point is, nobody will dare to listen unless you overcome and become successful.
Yes.
Now, this stage is opportunity. Why? Because karon struggling pa lang. But when you come inside Freeway, you are given a pen to rewrite your story, to create your success, and to rewrite your destiny.
Yes.
So make sure na pagsulod nimo sa Freeway, dili ka magpabiling pobre, dili ka magpabiling struggling forever, dili ka magpabiling nga victim, dili ka magpabiling nga tapul you know, today make sure that when you come inside Freeway, you use this magic pen to change your life. And the next time you have an opportunity to go up the stage, that is your chance to shine. That is your chance to tell others your story. And by your story, you will empower a lot of people. Would you want that? Would you want that? Gusto ka one day mo patong ka sa stage, ako si Pedro. When I was in grade 3, ikaw na po ang mga inana. Tama ba? And then by hearing your story, people will be moved to change their lives as well. By God's grace, ang pinakadako na ko na audience so far is 10,000 people in Malaysia. And by God's grace, the farthest that I have been to on stage is Europe. 3,000 Europeans. How many chances do you get in life like that? Unless you're part of Freeway, murag malabog yun. Tama ba? Pwede bang palakpakan nato sa Freeway International? So, there's a lot of opportunities inside Freeway. Especially in Jubilee Diamond Team. In fact, I want to show you this, okay? May 18, May 19 naman kita karon. Yesterday, 5 ang leadership training seminar sa Europe, 5. And one of which is Bulgaria. Dili nimo mabasa, di ba? Di siya mabasa, pero ako mabasa na ako. Bulgaria, okay? You would think, no? Because a lot of people, when we talk about success, feeling nila layo kayang success sa ilaha. Ay, mo ba'y magsugod na ko? Ay, dili ko how? Ay, dili ko. No. When you think of success, when you hear the word success, you have to own it. You have to believe that you too can claim it. Tama ba? Okay, do you believe you can actually become successful in Freeway?
Yes.
I'll show you. This is Europe. And you may think, wala kay chance. Pero actually, dako kayang chance. Why? This is one of the leadership training seminars. And you know what? The highest ranking here, walay labot ning duha kay mga leader na mangyud ni. The highest ranking here is not a Supreme, not a Pegasus. The highest ranking here is Stefan. He is a Team Elite Pavo.
Wow.
You think Pavo can? Doable?
Yes.
Doable? Inside Jubilee Diamond, there's close to 100 Team Elite Pavos. Ang iyahang speakers, kini, they are not Pavos. Not even 3-star. They are Diamond 2-star. But Freeway Claudia Ong, is one, investing on them. Team Milit Pavo, pero nag-invest si Riway og leadership training seminar for them. So this makes me think now that no matter how small we think we are, if we know how to create results in the shortest time possible, we too can have our own LTS in Europe. Ma-imagine ninyo? Filipino ang speaker, Diamond Star Achievers, Filipino tanan ang audience.
Wow.
Can you imagine that?
Yes.
You remember Dahig? Katong nag-rally sila sa Dahig? Kabalo ka po, nagtanaw ko sa news ato. Sus, naaraman din tanong mga prospects sa Europe. Di ba ito? That's what I saw. Muna ako nakitaan opportunity. And you know what? There is opportunity. So in fact, Benjong, Tita Chiki, pwede bang palampakan nato itong mga leaders? They are currently building their organization in the UK right now. So, do you think you have the right leaders to follow?
Yes.
Kung ang leader nimo walay pangandoy mag-expand abroad, then you are doomed to die in the business. You know why? Because, off na to. Last 2 points. You know why Riway has become so successful? Riway has become so successful because Riway never stopped growing. It never depends on one market alone. Ibig sabihin, I think pre-pandemic, when Myanmar government declared, one day, bigla na lang, ikalit na lang declare ang Myanmar government, no more direct selling in Myanmar. And there was Riway in Myanmar. What do you think happened to the people? Did they die?
Yes.
Did they die? Definitely not. Because the Myanmar Burmese leaders, they have Thailand, they have Vietnam, they have Laos, they have Cambodia, they have Philippines. So meaning to say, the way Riway has grown in the past 17 years, it's because it keeps on growing. It never settles for less. It keeps on touching markets. So that when one market dies, or when one market slows down, it's okay because there's a lot others. Unang ginatawag ni Lloyd ganina, na if you don't maximize this office, it's okay because others definitely will. So the same way for us. Today, if we want to grow, we cannot rely on a single market. Philippines is just our jumping off point. Kumbaga, ang bakanan lang nato ni siya. Everyone, the biggest market that's waiting for us, it's Europe markets, it's US market. And you know what? In the whole of Riway International, there are only 2 nations that can speak good English, Singaporeans and Filipinos. Meaning to say, katong nakita ninyo na mapa ganina, from Asia to Europe, from Asia to the US, the #1 candidate is Philippine leaders.
Wow.
Philippine leaders. Nakasabot na? Are you excited for that?
Yes.
Palakpakan nato na siya. This is an international business nga ginasturyahan nato, okay? Wala ta mag-spend of tibok adlaw aron murag wala lang, no. The reason why we're so serious investing on trainings, investing on reprogramming our minds. It's because we have a long way ahead of us. We have a big success waiting for us out there. So, we start kung asa ta pwede mag-start. This coming July, okay? This coming July, Jubilee Diamond Team, there's an opportunity. And that is to fly to Hong Kong. Top leaders. Qualification, Diamond 1 star and above. Okay. This is not simply a free trip. Okay, I hope you understand. Everyone, this is not simply a free trip. Because I know people, wala gariwe, minimum wage earners, pero makabiyahe og Hong Kong.
Yes.
Labi na og mag-piso fare si Cebu Pacific or si PAN. Tama ba? Pag-abot dito, mangita sila og budget hotels, mangita sila barato nga pagkaon, magsigig train. Kay aron barato. This is not simply a free trip. This is an international business trip.
Wow.
But I have to say, kailangan minimum Diamond 1 star. Why? You see, if we fly to Europe, magkano ang Europe? How much is it to fly to Europe? Minimum 100 to 150,000 pesos. So if you're a Diamond 1 star, and you're earning 100 to 150, makapamasahe ka pa dulong Europe, pero pag abot sa Europe, wala na kay hotel. Wala na kay ganon. Because ang income nimo, kutubra pang eroplano. Now, if you're a Diamond 1 star, and we try to expand our business internationally, Hong Kong is the closest to Manila. It's like flying Manila to Jensen, less than 2 hours. So it's something that can be duplicated, isn't it? Can you go back every month to Hong Kong?
Yes.
Definitely. Tama ba? So, when we go there, 4 days and 3 nights, it's not just a free trip. In fact, ayaw pag-expect na maglaroy-laroy ta sa Hong Kong. Kaya nga naman, business people man ta. Dili man ta mga ordinaryong tao nga nangandoy ra makakita sa Disneyland. We are so over that. We are going to fly to Hong Kong. We will allot one day, we go to the headquarters. We have a headquarters there. The headquarters can accommodate more than 1,000 people inside the auditorium. No. In Hong Kong, there's about more than 200,000 Filipinos. Kanang 200,000 ka Filipinos, okay, nana sila mga amo. Ang uban dira gaminyo o expat o Chinese, ang uban dira negosyante, dili na talang DH. Okay? So can you imagine if we can fill up 1,000 seats in Hong Kong? And before ka mo uli, nakay usa ka leader sa left, nakay usa ka leader sa right. You know what they say, that when you close Chinese people, when you transact with them, it's as if you're closing an entire clan.
Wow.
It's as if you're closing an entire city. Because that's how Chinese people are. They love supporting each other. So, do you see it? But why is it Diamond 1-star fade? Nganong dili man pwede 1 set lang, 2 sets lang? No. Because you have to do it here first, right? You cannot expect to grow in other countries if diri mismo nga same language, ang pamasahe barato, ang pagkaon barato, dili nimo siya mabuhat. How can you expect to do it in Hong Kong if diri mismo wala kay alamag? Are you following?
Yes.
So this is my challenge to all of us right now. If you really are intentional about this business, if you really think this business can, fly to Hong Kong with us as international business people. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited? Are you ready to travel as international business people?
Yes.
Because dili tanang wagi sa immigration. Dili tanang wagi sa immigration makaingon. What are you going to do in Hong Kong? I have business there. Dili tanang wagi sa immigration makaingon nga. What are you going to do in Japan? I have business there. What are you going to do in Europe? I have business there. Tama ba? How many chances in life do you get na you sign up 170,000? Gamay kay nga kandidat. I'm not saying nga gamay ang 170 kay dako ko karon, no. Gamay kay ang 170,000. Because bago lang na hospital akong kuya, 170,000 ang bill in 2 days time. So is 170,000 big or small? Small. It's very small. If you are given to an opportunity to do a business internationally. Kesa naman, if spendi mo ang 170,000, isa or duha lang kaadlaw sa ICU. Kay mahalan ka mo invest sa portier. Are you following?
Yes.
So, the most important thing at the end of the day, it's who you become inside this business. If you push for success, but lose a lot of things, important people along the way, then what is there to prove? Inside Riway International, we have a saying, you win in Riway, you win in life. Why? Because 6 core values. When you win in Riway, you win in your health, you win in your finances, you win your family, you win your social community, you win spiritually, you win mentally. And so you win in Riway, you win in life. You don't have to look anywhere else. So I hope nga, you would take up the challenge. It's not just about potential. Tanan ay potential, pero dili tanan mag-materialize. Because the people nga maninood sa ilang potential, they will act agad-agad. They will decide agad-agad.
Yes.
Even if dili pa nila masabtan tanan, they will act, move forward agad-agad.
Yes.
And they will trust that they will understand along the process.
Yes.
They don't wait. And that's how you become a leader inside Riway International. This ends my shine for this afternoon. Maayong hapon sa tanan, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.